Your team may forget. Our AI won't follow up keeps everyone on track.
This tutorial shows how to configure AI follow-ups and reminders using stages in Trueaiwork. You can customize stages or use the default setup to manage your follow-up process effectively. Click the AI Reminders section to access follow-up and reminder settings. Click Light to choose the light mode for your AI Reminders configuration. Click Start Over to reset the stages to the default configuration. Click Custom to begin customizing your follow-up stages. Click Add Stage to create a new follow-up stage in your custom setup. Click the 12-hour option to set the delay for the new stage. Click the 24-hour option to adjust the delay for the follow-up stage. Enter preferred hours to specify the delay in hours before the next follow-up stage triggers. Choose the notification channel you wish to activate for each stage. You can select one or all options. Select the checkbox to enable or disable the action feed, push notifications, email, task comments, and AI chat. Click Save Stage to save the configuration of your first follow-up stage. To enable or disable DO follow-up only during working hours and days to restrict follow-ups to business hours. Turn on the setting to enforce follow-ups only during working hours and days. Click here to open more options for configuring your follow-up stages. Click Add Stage to include an additional follow-up stage in your sequence. Set the reminder lead time by entering the hours, along with the desired stop time. You can configure a notification channel for each stage. Turn on email alerts to ensure notifications are sent during this stage. Click AI Chat to choose chat notifications as a follow-up method. Turn on AI Chat alerts to receive chat notifications during this stage. Click Push Notification Mobile and Browser Push to enable push notifications. Turn on push notifications to receive alerts on mobile and browser devices. Click Save to Stages to save the configurations of both follow-up stages. Click here to access the final settings or review your follow-up stage configurations. You have successfully configured AI follow-up and reminder stages, complete with customized delays and notification methods. This setup guarantees that follow-ups align with your organization's policies and employs multiple communication channels for optimal effectiveness.